1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, E, F, G, A, B, 1, 2, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, C2. Okay, it's harder to count 2 large beats when playing is slow. So now let's try a moderate speed. Let's try to count just 2 large beats per measure. 1 and a 2 and a 1. So a little faster. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and go. 2, D, 2, E, 2, F, 2, G, B, C2, E, C2. Okay, this last time we're gonna try to go as fast as we can. So for me, I'm gonna keep up with 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.